UgCS Commander is a simple yet powerful tool designed to simultaneously manage multiple UAVs on automated missions. So how does it work? First, you need to plan the route through UgCS Commander for each vehicle separately. Once that is done, you assign a route for each drone connected to UgCS Commander. Connecting DJI drones is done through the UgCS for DJI app running on DJI smart controllers. Other drone models can be connected through radio data links or Wi-Fi modules. UgCS Commander allows you to connect as many drones as you need for your operations. 10, 20, or even more. Once the drones are up in the air, you can monitor critical parameters on the main dashboard, such as battery level, altitude, and speed of your vehicles. UgCS Commander gives you the ability to visualize the flights of all your vehicles in a convenient 3D interface. This means that you have complete control over the progress of mission execution, including notifications if vehicles come too close to each other. During mission execution, you have the flexibility to control each drone separately or in groups, whether it's to pause the mission, land it, or return to home. If you are planning multi-drone operations for testing counter-drone systems, search and rescue operations, or simply to speed up your usual drone operations, order a trial version of UgCS Commander on the SPH Engineering website by filling out a short form and get started with multi-drone flights today.